Hi, welcome to the Wood Show. This is the Executive Director, Wendy Wilson. And even though the museum's closed, we're going to have virtual tours of the museum throughout this month and next month, so you don't miss anything. It's like you're having your own peaceful tour of the museum. These are pieces from Professor Wendell Kling's sculpture class over at Mesa College. Each different student did a panel. The great thing about this woodworking exhibition is we can highlight pieces that we have in the collection too here at the museum. We have a large amount of woodworking tools. Including saws, hand drills, planes. These have been used throughout the Sweetwater Valley for the past 100 years or more. And it's exciting to be able to show our collection as well as some of the contemporary work that's being done in San Diego County. So even though the museum's closed, feel free to join us online and have a tour of the amazing woodwork that's being done here in South Bay, San Diego. This is Robert Stevenson, known for his meticulous handmade reproductions of masterpiece works. This is a reproduction of a Federal period ladies' portable desk from the 1800s. Some of the wood includes Cuban mahogany, maple, primavera, white birch, pine, poplar, holly, ebony. This is a reproduction of a Federal game table. Again, the details are amazing on this work. And Bob lives locally. He makes all this work locally.